Taking part in the graduate development programme has helped me professionally and personally in different ways. Professionally, I have been able to learn what it takes to work and understand operating in a busy and ever-changing environment. And I have also enjoyed getting to know clients along the way, clients that I work with, and understanding about the impact that they have in their own communities. Personally, I've made great connections with staff at S3 and have also developed my own confidence in being able to take on challenges as I face them.
So when I first started at S3, it was pretty easy to feel at home pretty quickly. Everybody was really sound, really lovely to work with, and the graduate programme was pretty effective at getting us skilled up quickly in our own departments. I'm at Fund Ready, and it didn't take long before I got to grips with what I needed to do.
So I think the thing that has helped me grow the most since starting the graduate scheme is learning from my peers, and especially from those who have come through in the graduate scheme. So just learning how they do things and how they operate and how they've progressed through S3 since they started as well.
The first thing I would say is to prioritise the learning, especially here in the consultancy division. We take initiative, so that don't wait for a task to be assigned. Go ahead and look for a task and be proactive yourself. As well as that, don't be afraid to ask questions. The more questions you ask, the faster you learn.
So far, the graduate scheme has supported me in so many different ways, through one-to-one guided learning from senior members of the team, and also having the ability to complete different exams, which has supported me through business cases by doing the Better Business Case exams, which I wouldn't have had the opportunity to do without the graduate scheme. I'm now a senior member in my team, and without the graduate programme I wouldn't have been able to do that.
No, I wasn't aware of how close-knit everyone was at S3 prior to joining. So I'd say having that ability to ask questions and be a team player is vital. But then also there's so many graduates that are already on the team that having them as a source of advice is vital, and they all come from different sort of backgrounds with their degrees and that. So having that experience from the get-go, it's vital, and it helps with your skill development straight away.
The graduate scheme provided structured and supportive transition that made adapting to professional working life a lot more simple. Through hands-on experience, tailored support and guidance, I was able to develop the skills needed to succeed in the road.